Today I don't want to talk about playing piano or randomizing drums. Instead I want to talk about why planning and artistic creation is just not possible sometimes, and how art might need to take weird turns in order to come out really special and unique.
Go on.
Of course I have sessions with artists where we get together and we write music and I produce stuff. By the end of the session there's a demo to listen to. But this story starts with a loop. No people! Just for the people who are no hip-hop producers out there, there's people who focus on producing the melodic part of a beat to collaborate with others. Just to give you an idea, here's some loops that I produced and what they turned into.
Got a lot of M's in my future now, in my future right now. Yeah, a lot of bitches. Understand, I'm a grown man.
But back to the loop. At that time there was COVID, no sessions, no nothing, and I didn't feel inspired at all, so producing a couple loops a day became a little therapy in order to get back at it. Some of the loops would get sent to other producers, some would be unique session starters for myself, but most of them were just filling folders. Fast forward May in 2022. I had a session with an artist that came in with a finished song that needed a new beat. It needed to be up-tempo, vibey, modern, not aggressive. I think I produced like 3 beats that night, but I couldn't quite nail this one. Well, happens. But I wanted to, so my last straw late at night was the treasure chest of samples. I randomly clicked through a bunch in a pack. Nice. That was a fun one. And landed on the one that I produced about a year ago. Sped up by more or less a third.
The original song was 87 BPM times 2 equals 174. The sample is on 128 divided by 2 equals 64.
I'm trying to do the math, but they're kind of unmixable.
The original 87 minus 64 equals 23, and if we divide the 87 by 23 we get 3.7826. That's about a third.
Boom.
The usual procedure from there on. I chopped it, I did some warping, reversed some stuff, pitched it. Just because there's more energy in pitched up music, threw some wild up-tempo drums on it, and some little details to level up the beat. How about this super overproduced singing phrase that I found in some random free sample pack? That seems totally wrong up in here.
Oh, this is so lame!
Yeah, how about... Yeah, perfect. And voila! Well, the only thing was the artist still didn't fully vibe with what we had, so I clicked on export just to have it, and we called it a day. I just started working with Nali, who seemed to be into all kinds of beats, including weird stuff and up-tempo, so I dragged that on into our fairly young WhatsApp conversations at 2:02 AM and went to bed. The next day I woke up to this.
Ich wach morgens auf und neben mir ein Shorty, das ist P. Vögel zwitschern, Sonnenschimmer treffen mich durch die Rollläden. Ich hab heute dick zu tun, wie ich schon in den Händen. Sehr ablenken, fuck, ich fühl mich so wie Kendrick in den Wänden. Bressi runter, Bresche auf, ja, ich mach mich aus dem Staub. Treffe Kalla in einem Ohr, macht mir paar
It was literally the whole song done. The recording process with him is usually fairly quick, and I'm just waiting for my favorite part about recording rap artists. Best always comes last. Ad-libs.
And what's that supposed to be?
For the video clip, we packed up a bunch of friends and ran around in Schöneberg, Nali's hood, having fun. We wrapped it up and the song became the first single of our collaboration tape, Methadone, and actually my first release under my new name, Kalla. I guess the moral of the story is, as long as you start walking, something will happen, and you'll end up somewhere. No need to think about your destination yet, just enjoy the ride.
That's so deep.